Hi, I'm Jordan. Is your washing machine not draining correctly or not at all? Today I'm going to show you why this might be happening and how to possibly fix your appliance. When working on any appliance that has an electrical current, you need to unplug the machine or turn off the fuse at the circuit breaker to ensure your own safety. Not doing so could be hazardous. Before we begin, remember to check your owner's manual for troubleshooting methods. You will get an idea on what sort of things you need to be looking for as you inspect the unit. Also, the compartment to get into your unit may not be in the front. Try to locate where you can access the inside of your unit. If you have to pull it out, make sure you have enough space around you to pull out the unit in order to inspect it. As a part of all repairs, you should take a picture with your phone or label parts with numbers before taking things apart in order to remember how to reassemble your unit when you're done. Here I have my washing machine model. Please keep in mind that your washing machine may look different than mine. However, this video can still apply to your washing machine. The drain pump is responsible for pumping out the water from your system. If it's damaged or broken, your washer will obviously not drain out the water. In order to check this part, you'll have to access the inside of your unit and locate the pump. Before you replace this unit, you should take apart the hoses from the pump and check the pump for any small pieces of clothing like socks or wash rags that could have gotten into your system. Also, make sure there are no nicks or obstructions to any of the hoses. If there are, it could be a reason why your system isn't draining properly. If your pump is clear, it may be time to replace the unit. The drive belt is a long band that connects the drive motor to your transmission of your unit. When inspecting the unit, make sure this belt is not loose, frayed, or broken. In any of the three cases, it will make it hard for the tub to spin and do its proper job to move the parts that help drain the system. If your drive belt is broken, be sure to check the rim of the inside of your unit. Any pieces of clothing that get stuck in the top around the basket can cause the pulley to work harder than it has to, and it might slip or damage your unit. Once removed, you can replace your drive belt as simply as removing clamps and sliding the belt off the transmission and motor pulleys. The lid switch assembly's job is to prevent the washer from running if the lid is open, so when the assembly fails, the water will not drain from the system. Check to see if the wiring of the lid switch is damaged, and also check to see if the switch itself is damaged. Replacing the lid switch is easy and will only take a few minutes. If you need to replace any of the parts we talked about today, you can find an OEM replacement part on our site. Thanks for watching. Your support helps us to create these free videos for you to enjoy. Please like, comment, and share. And if you really like our video, please subscribe down below.